Right, what we're going to look at here today is how to check if your alternator over there has a fully functional rectifier. So we're going to be using the oscilloscope. I've got it connected up to the battery over there. We've got our oscilloscope over here. An aircraft overhead at the normal. So I've got the scope set up for AC coupling because we want to look at the ripple to check the rectifier operation. So what we need to do is start the engine and apply some load. So let's do that. Let's look at what we've got. Our headlights on, the AC on. Let's see increase the time base a little bit. There we go. So that's our pause button. So yeah, what we want to look for, it's a 3-phase alternator. So you're going to look for the 6 pulses. So there you got all of them. So there you know that your alternator is good. You've got 20 millivolts per division. So AC coupling. This thing with its lovely switches. AC coupling. Oh, there we go. So there you got 50 millivolts per division, so that's about 50 millivolts of ripple. Let's go turn the electrical loads off and see what effect that has. Right, I am back. Let's have a look. Yep, the ripples come down as can be expected. Now we're drawing a lot less current with the alternator. So let's put the load back on. So if you had a missing pulse over there, you have a bad rectifier diode, and that's going to lead to undercharging of your electrical system, and that's why you may have trouble with the battery going flat when you're using your electrical loads, because you have a partially functional rectifier. This is what's going to happen. But we got all 6 pulses there, so we know that all 6 diodes of the 3-phase alternator are good. So that's it. That's how to use the scope to check if an alternator is good. Very simple like that. And now we can put this away. set it down there. Like so. Shutting down. Pew. There we go. Now have a straight line. So electrically, I'll just use a clip lead because there's nowhere to get that hook onto the positive terminal. So I carefully hooked up a clip lead over there. The negative is onto a bolt that fits. And you got to be careful when you're doing this, and don't wear jewelry when working on electrical equipment or a plastic watch if you don't have to wear a watch. For the rest, I think we're done here. Let's check our liquids while we're about it. Yep, that looks good. There's our black clip lead that we brought us just in case we didn't need it. Check the hydraulic fluid. Maybe. Good Lord. Yep, it's there. Back when I found it. The washer fluid lives over there, but I don't need to worry about that. Yeah, I can see the line over there for the brake hydraulics. Let's check the... Yep. It's on the full mark. It's due for changing. This vehicle is a 2015 1.4 litre Ford Fiesta. The good stuff. Let's see. No leaks or anything bad going on. Let's fill that up over here. I need to go in the back, get some liquid. Let's put that scope over there. Soapy water. Of course you make a mess, but that's okay. Turn your water. Yeah, I can see the level down there. It's full enough. I can go and refill this and put it back in the trunk. So now, let's put this away. Turn that off. Disconnect negative. Positive. Sure, we put on our stuff. Unplug our scope. Put that in my pocket. this stuff down on the ground. And now it's time to close the hood. So this is the hood release. So drop out the way. Now this is going to suck it in when I drop the hood. Just like that. It's sucked in its tongue. And that's going to conclude this video on how to check your alternator with an oscilloscope. Yeah, that was interesting, wasn't it? Beautiful day out here. Yeah, just beautiful here, Tom. Alright, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. See you next time for more stuff. Thanks for being here. Take care. Cheers.